Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to go through a list of some Black Friday sales at Amazon. Kind of wanted to tell you what I think of these and if you should jump on them or not, and then just what I think of them, period. So the i3 Plus at $3.99, absolute steal. This has been a very good vacuum. Really enjoy it, and it does a very good job. So the EUFY, another very good vacuum. 30C, I did test this out before. It works great. It's very quiet. No issues, and I would highly recommend it. But go ahead and get the 25C that's on sale right now at Walmart. A little bit cheaper and basically the same thing. Now the iLife, personally, I don't like, I'm going too fast here. Personally, I don't like these no names when you can get something. Eufy's kind of a no name, but they're more of a bigger product, and like the On Sun and the Goovy and the Kaival, they're all copies of everything that you're seeing. I just don't personally think you should buy a no-name vacuum when you can get something that's proved to be really good. So I will go back up in a second, but the iRobot i3, this is just the robot for $2.99. This is not a good deal at all when you can add the self-empty bin for $100. Shark IQ, most of you know I don't like this robot, but I did test it about a year ago before it had all the software updates, and a lot of people have said the updates help it a ton, and $3.19 is a great price for any robot vacuum that self-empties, and the self-empty bin on this is actually quite good. So I do have something very similar coming to retest like that Shark. Should be here next week. Anyways, once again, same thing with Yeetie. I mean, why buy a Yeetie that has 190 reviews when you have a EUFY with 4,500 reviews and just a little bit more money? And then probably the best deal on this entire little video is this i6 Plus. This is essentially the i7 Plus. That is $7.99 right now. This is just Amazon's own branded model number from iRobot. Just like Costco has their i8 Plus, it's the same exact thing as the i7 Plus. So $5.50 on that is an amazing deal. Goov, once again, I don't care about this Tez. I mean, look at all these no names. They're probably going to work fine, but they're, for the money, buy a name brand that you've heard of and it has a ton of reviews. Just my opinion here. I'll put a couple links down in the description if you're interested. And thanks for watching and have an awesome day. See you guys.